Number 1. EOTech OGL. This item is made in America. The laser sight was unveiled at the SHOT Show 2023 by EOTech, a well-known brand among shooting enthusiasts. It is the size of a deck of cards and runs for 9 hours on a single CR123 battery. The manufacturer also sells red and green laces. The full version is scheduled to be delivered to law enforcement and military authorities this year for $2,200 in 2024. The civilian market will receive a version with a shorter range, the cost of which is not yet known. The latter is more visible in daylight and bad weather, as well as a unique divergence adjustment system for the infrared illuminator. Number 2. IAI Point Blank. On your screen, you can see a single-use drone, also known as a kamikaze drone with a payload of 2 kilograms, developed by Rayleigh specialists that gives soldiers new attack and maneuvering capabilities. The drone can be launched with one hand and fits in a backpack. It has a range of 10 kilometers or 20 minutes and a top speed of 286 kilometers per hour. It can also track a target and hover in one place. Naturally, the US is interested in this development, and the manufacturer has a deal with the US Department of Defense. Number 3. D-Drone Drone Defender. This American invention that resembles a sci-fi weapon will be excellent for combating drones, according to the manufacturer, who believes that this product will be useful for the military, police, and the protection of important sites like embassies. The development weighs about 7 kilograms but is simple to operate and doesn't require much knowledge. The operation is as simple as aiming it as a drone and blocking any radio frequencies. After that, it depends on the type of drone. Some will land immediately and others will return to the takeoff point automatically. The range is 2 kilometers and the operating time is up to 2 hours. Number 4. Lenka 2.0. This system was created in Poland. It is known as the Lancer and provides nearly identical capabilities. The Lancer 2.0 model is more portable than the previous model and offers a touch panel to control power modes and 4 hours of work in standby mode. The designers also highlight Lancer's capability to function both independently and in conjunction with external surveillance systems, though autonomy is more limited at about 1 kilometer. Number 5. Redback Spike. The Redback from South Korea, the Israeli Spike LR-2 missile system, which is the next option in our selection, is used in the firing demonstration. It is a multi-purpose model that allows attacking both vehicles, such as tanks and fortifications. For instance, you can configure it so that the missile only fires after penetrating 20 centimeters of reinforced concrete. The operator of the missiles can successfully track even small targets or targets that vanish from radars thanks to the missile's artificial intelligence. Number 6. PL-01 Concept. This is a Polish prototype. It was proposed as a stealth tank in 2013. The idea was to cover the entire vehicle in a radio wave-absorbing material and develop a thermal camouflage. These requirements were chosen as the basis for both Forest and the Swedish CV9120T light tank. An unmanned turret with remote control, a 120mm gun compatible with NATO projectiles and capable of launching guided missiles, a 500km range, a cross-country speed of up to 50 km per hour, and an engine with about 940 horsepower. Because there is currently little news about the PL-01, many experts and media outlets believe that the project has failed, but the PL-01 could be seen in some games such as GTA. Number 7. Patria Nemo Container. The development of the Nemo Container mobile mortar system was finally finished in February of this year. The system was first unveiled in 2017, and after years of hard work, the result is great. For starters, the system resembles a 6-meter container, inside of which are 120mm mines and all the materials required for autonomous operation, meaning the Nemo system can be fired from the ground, the deck of a ship, or a vehicle. Number 8. Arianesmet UGV. It's an electric model with a range of up to 100 kilometers and a payload of 550 kilograms. But most interesting are its internal components. As most South Korean products, this one uses cutting-edge technologies. Next up is an unmanned infantry support vehicle from South Korea. The designers are clearly interested in the US market. The novelty was presented at a U.S. military base near Seoul. This vehicle's neural network-equipped brain enables it to quickly detect and track enemy soldiers as well as react to gunshots. The vehicle is appropriate for operations involving both manned and unmanned vehicles and can drive itself off-road. Number 9. Elbit Systems Lanius. Let's talk about Israel and drones some more. What do you think of this AI drone called Lanius? It is a 3-person, interesting, and small unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, that can perform mapping, reconnaissance, and target classification tasks in addition to finding people. Even inside, the drones will navigate around obstacles with the operator's simple general commands. In order to avoid wasting the charge, these groups of drones can be transported on larger base drones. The manufacturer claims that these capabilities will be useful for a variety of tasks for both military and law enforcement. Number 10. Nebo. The Nebo family of radars includes several versions for air defense and for ground forces. The most recent versions are capable of detecting targets at distances of up to 1,800 kilometers and at altitudes of up to 1,200 kilometers. Nebo U is a Russian airborne object detection and tracking radar. The radar is an excellent addition to the S-400 surface-to-air missile system. For example, in its large size is not a problem since there are special containers for moving the Nebo. The radar will spot any missile in 5th-generation aircraft, even if they are hypersonic. Thanks for watching TechFusion. Subscribe.